Hello everyone, Matt here again with Millennium Glass. Today I'm going to show you how to collect and install the wardrobe doors you've purchased as a supply only. There are two ways to collect: delivery or pickup. If you choose delivery, you will need to be at home to inspect and place in a safe spot. If you choose a pickup, you can come to our factory at Burleigh Heads. You will need to bring some protective gear and in order to protect the doors and tracks from scratches. You will need an adequate vehicle like a van, ute or a trailer and some old blankets. Upon pickup, you will also need to inspect your doors and sign off form stating that the product is in good condition before taking your doors home. Your top and bottom tracks are going to come wrapped with a plastic wrap. Now you can cut it with a Stanley knife, but we definitely recommend just to use your hands. It's very simply comes undone. These are the essential things you will need: a Phillips head drill bit and drill, and an installation pack will be provided with easy to install screws, so you don't need to pre-drill anything. If you're installing on timber, these are the only tools you will need. If you are going to be installing on carpet, you will need to install a timber jamb first. Today we're going to install on tiles, and you will need a silicone gun along with silicone, because you're going to glue the tracks down to the ground instead of screwing them. You can purchase a silicone gun and silicone from our miscellaneous range. Okay guys, we're going to install our top track first. Now the top track comes with a couple lines, basically right down the middle. This is the center of each of the top track openings. This will help you line where the screws need to be. The top track will come 2 mm short on either side to make it easy to install. Begin with inserting a screw in the middle of the track with your drill. This will help you balance the track while you screw in the other sides. Now, whether you're gluing or screwing your bottom tracks, it is important that you use the thickest part of the track facing to the exterior of the wardrobe. Ensure that you screw along the middle line that is in the track so the doors don't run over the screws. If gluing, run the silicone along the grooves of the bottom of the track to secure it to the floor. Now it's time to insert the doors. Extend the plastic tabs by pulling on them. This will help the wardrobe door sit in the frame better and glide better. Make sure you have assistance when lifting the door, and begin by placing the first door on the back track. Do this by lifting the door into the furthest groove of the top track and then place the wheels into the furthest groove of the bottom track. Slide the door to one side and repeat the process with the second door with the closest grooves. To adjust the wheels to be higher, turn the screw clockwise either by hand or with a screwdriver. To adjust the wheel to be lower, lift the door, push the wheel down and turn the screw counterclockwise. Test the door after adjusting each side to be flush with the wall. Now there you have it. You've installed your very own set of beautiful wardrobe sliding doors. Thank you for watching and enjoy the newest addition to your home.